Time for a test float, test run. Well, it floats. That's a good start. It's a little bit windy out here at the moment. Oh, stuck under the edge. Stuck onto the edge again. Can we go backwards at all? Oh, wind's blowing it around. That's the washing on the washing line. Let's see if we can go backwards. It is going backwards, but not very much. Looks like I could probably have given it a bit more rudder control. Well, that's running on a 1S. Apart from getting stuck under there. And the washing blowing in the way. Trying to work it backwards so we can go the other way around. Jammed under the edge again. Jammed it under there a bit harder that time. Yeah, well that certainly works. I might move that push rod in so we got more rudder, because I've restricted it quite a lot there. We could go a lot further round. But then if you're out on the pond you don't need tight turns. So yeah, that appears to work, and also it appears to be watertight. So that's the one that we covered with a wet wipe and varnished and painted. That's for the thumbnail. Right, end screen. That's going to confuse me. So you can do it from behind the camera. Up here. Oh, right, focus has changed. Up here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll like on my channel based on your viewing habits. Down here will be my channel. Up here will be the latest video on my channel. Focus. And down here will be an associated playlist. I do have a playlist for fan-driven boats, but I probably used my 3D printed playlist down there. And then down below there's always extra information in the video description. So they should appear sort of now when it pops back into focus. Thanks for watching, and well, I've got a few other boats there to play with, so we'll see how we get on. There will be more videos.